Welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday morning, March 11th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of finance news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Raadr, doing business as Telvantis, unveils Part 3 of Investor Education Series, Shareholder Value and Uplisting Strategy. Telvantis, formerly known as Raadr Inc., wraps up its three-part investor education series by detailing its strategy for enhancing shareholder value and preparing for a potential uplisting to a national exchange. The company's focus on long-term value creation includes capital allocation strategies such as expanding organically and through acquisitions, managing debt and equity, conducting share buybacks, and optimizing operational efficiency. Telvantis is actively preparing for uplisting by completing a PCAOB financial audit, meeting listing requirements, building institutional investor interest, and aiming for significant revenue and profitability growth by 2029. Shareholders can expect continued execution of growth strategies, corporate updates, and engagement with institutional investors as Telvantis works towards its goal of sustainable growth and value creation.
An open letter to OpenAI and Anthropic, the economic revolution you helped create, now needs you to begin the era of mass economic enlightenment. An open letter to OpenAI and Anthropic has been released, urging them to begin the era of mass economic enlightenment. Max Bruce, with support from GPT-4 and Claude 3.7 Sonnet, proposes the people's autonomous economy powered by consumer-earned tokenized equities. This system mathematically guarantees value redistribution to those who sustain the economy. Seeds reach a critical mass threshold, transforming the monetary system. OpenAI and Anthropic are called upon to catalyze this economic transformation by launching pilot programs, developing AI governance frameworks, and endorsing the paradigm shift. The foundation is set with a validated economic model, a detailed book, and ongoing infrastructure development. The choice is clear: to build an economic system worthy of their technology or watch the current broken model persist. The era of mass economic enlightenment is at hand, and the time to act is now. Stonegate Capital Partners initiates coverage on Sky Harbor Group Corporation, NYSE, SKYH. Stonegate Capital Partners has initiated coverage on Sky Harbor Group Corporation, listed on the NYSE under the ticker SKYH. Throughout FY24, Sky Harbor showed resilience and growth despite economic challenges, completing major construction projects, securing new leases, and maintaining high occupancy rates. In the third quarter, lease revenue increased by 64% year-over-year to $4.1 million, with total revenue reaching $10.1 million, a 90% increase from the previous year. The company also expanded its leased square footage and has new developments expected to generate $37.6 million in annual revenue. Despite increased expenses, the company's balance sheet remains strong, with total assets of $456.8 million and a liquidity position of $110.3 million. Stonegate's discounted cash flow analysis values SkyH between $12.79 and $21.07, with a midpoint of $16.33, reflecting the company's growth potential. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.